Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're making a terrarium for my black crazy ants. To start off with, you're going to want to get some dirt. Here I got some dirt from the outside, which already has microorganisms established in it, and some plants and rocks. Again, I used natural plants and rocks. Now first, you want to add in your dirt. Here, I added in enough so that the ants could burrow, but not too much. Then you want to level your dirt. So here I utilized a slope dirt formation in order to make a drainage area at the bottom for the water. Now you want to add your rocks and plants. I got all native rocks and plants from the outside just to mimic the natural environment a bit better. As you can see, I put a rock in the corner for them to nest, and I just adjusted the plants how I thought would look nice. And now it's time to add my black crazy ants. And this is the final product. This black crazy ant colony has a few queens, and I'm generally happy with how this term turned out. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.